A retired nurse in Florida got a call from her bank's fraud department. Caller ID said the bank's name. The man knew her balance. 40 minutes later, her savings were gone. And the bank never called at all. By the end of this video, you'll have one rule, just one, that shuts down this entire scam. Even if they know your name, your balance, and sound completely professional. And I'll tell you the one thing the scammer said that should have given him away in the first 10 seconds. See if you can catch it. Here's how it starts. Your phone rings. The screen says the name of your bank. That part is real looking because caller ID can be faked. Scammers use software that copies any number they want. The man says there's been suspicious activity, a charge in another state. He's calm, he's polite. He says, "Don't worry, we caught it in time." And then it got worse. He said to reverse the charge, she needed to read back the code he was texting her. That code was the key to her account. She read it to him. That was the whole robbery. But here's the part that actually protects you. Real banks do not call you and ask for codes, ever. Not for fraud, not for verification, not for anything. A real bank already has your account. It never needs you to prove it by phone. So here's what you do, and it feels rude the first time. Hang up, then call the number on the back of your card and ask, "Did you just call me?" That's it. That one habit is unbeatable. Let's say the rule one more time. Your bank will never call and ask for a code, a password, or a transfer. If a caller asks for any of those, it is a scam. Every time, no exceptions. And the giveaway I promised? He said, "Don't worry, we caught it in time." Real fraud departments freeze first and talk second. Urgent reassurance is the salesman's trick. If this helped, I made one more for you. One email is real, and one steals your account. Can you tell which? I'll see you there.